Hello everyone, so today I'll be building my very first gaming computer. So this is a budget build, and the first part I actually had to cut out the audio on this video because the audio was just really bad and it was actually kind of weird. So in the first part I'll actually just be explaining the specs through the recording studio I'm using right now. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, please comment down below. Alright, so here's the specs for this build. It has an Asus ROG Strix B450F gaming with an AM4 socket. It also has 4 DDR4 memory slots with compatibility up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. The CPU I'm using is an AMD Ryzen 5 2600 with a minimum clock speed of 3.4 GHz. I'm clocking it at 3.6 GHz right now with overclocking capability, and it's a 6-core processor with 12 threads. The graphics I'm using is a Sapphire Radeon RX 580 series. The memory I'm using is a DDR4 16 gigabytes Ripjaws, I do believe, and it's running in single channel mode. And it can clock at 3200, but that's what the package says, but I don't honestly believe that because I had to max it out at 3000. So, there's the specs. Let's get right into it. So right here, I actually lost the footage for when the computer first turned on. So we'll be skipping to when I'm in the BIOS configuring the settings and trying to get the computer to work. Jeez. Okay, here we go. After a little bit of troubleshooting, I actually got it to work. I just had to switch the memory slot, the memory into a different slot, and now it's working. So I'm actually going to put this plate back on here. So I'm not using an SSD because, once again, this is their budget build, so I didn't want to get anything too pricey. So I stuck with my 1 TB hard drive that I already had here with Windows 10 pre-installed, and it was the hard drive I was using on my previous computer. So everything will already be installed, but I will have to update drivers and stuff. Oh jeez, look how small everything is. So right here is where we're going to conclude our video. But first, here's a nice little montage of what the computer looks like when it's done. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. It took me a long time to make, and it is my first video. And if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any future video suggestions. Thanks for watching.